Hi everyone, welcome back to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. As you all know that only a week left for the new year and the first exam of Ielts will be held on 9th of January 2021 and we are here with the prediction of that exam for the year. So let's start with listening. Part 1, there will be fill-ups and multiple choice questions. Part 1 will be easy. Part 2, multiple choice questions and map labeling. Part 2 will be easy to moderate. Part 3, fill in the blanks up to 2 words and some large multiple choice questions. Part 3 will be easy to moderate. And the last part will be fill in the blanks up to 1 word and the last part will be easy. Overall, your listening will be easy this time. Let's move on to reading. Reading passage 1, complete the flowchart and also list of headings. Passage 1 of reading will be easy. Passage 2, match the information and summary. Passage 2 will be easy to moderate. Last passage, passage 3, there will be fill in the blanks and true false not given. And passage 3 will be easy to moderate. Overall, your reading will be easy to moderate. Let's talk about writing. Writing task 1, line, bar chart, map and table. Task 2, topics can be on technology, science, government, social issues and environment. Essay will be opinion based, that is you have to discuss both views or you have to talk about the advantages and disadvantages given in the topic of the essay. Regarding the speaking, guys, we have already punched January 2021 cue cards topics video on the channel which is available for you guys to watch, and also for the writing tasks too, January video is also available on the Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel for you to practice. And also guys, a good news for you that very soon we are going to give you a video on January to April 2021 QCA topics part 1 and part 3 speaking topics, and also a video on the task 1 and task 2 writing topics will also be available on the channel soon. Guys, do subscribe our other channel IELTS listening and reading test where you can practice for your listening, reading and writing task 2 topics with the sample band 9 answers, which really going to help you in your exams a lot. I hope you guys like this video. Best of luck for your exams. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.